it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a project share for a Facebook swap. Before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So for the Facebook swap, we had to make 3 sets of 5 for embellishments. So I decided to put mine in this book and let me show you what I did. Here's the book that I created for my embellishments. You had to have those 15 embellishments, and I thought to just put them in a book. It's very simple. All I did was punch the holes and use some twine to put it all together. And I thought it came out really cute and a good way to hold all of your embellishments. So let's get inside. When you open up her little embellishment book, the front I made a little envelope, and inside of it I just put a little card, nothing crazy. And I stuck the butterfly on so she could take it off if she wants to use it, so that's why it's like wiggling. And the same with these butterflies if she wants to reuse. So these are her embellishments. These are little like flowers in the size of, I would say, an ATC coin. And I layered it up with 3 layers of cardstock. I used a little tool, the heart here. And then I had the Cricut make me little banners. Happy day. This one says hello. And then this is an iridescent vinyl piece of Cricut paper. That one says smile. So I made her 5 like we were supposed to. Here's the other 2. Smile, that's just a butterfly. Sweetness. The second set of 5 embellishments I made, guys, were these really cute unicorns. Unicorn shakers. I've been trying to make all different types of shakers. I thought these came out really, really cute. And I love how they turned out, I really do. I made them all just a little bit different. So we got 3 on this page, and then I have 2 more over here. The golden one and this one, which is purple with some butterflies. And I really like them. I made some other shakers I was gonna quickly share. I'll probably clip one on her book. Here's a little banner shaker. This one is a little drink or a coffee. It could be whatever you want it to be. This is my favorite shaker. I don't know what I want to use it for just yet. And then I made these other like bannered shaped shakers. This one's blue, as you see, and I think these came out really fun and really cool to add to Happy Mail, to journals, anything, guys, your planner. So if you want to see how I did those, you can let me know. It's not that hard. I did it using my laminator. And then for the last set of embellishments, I made these really cute bag toppers. I made 5, well, pretty much the same. And I'll just take one off to give you a closer look. So this is how I did them. I cut out like the doily from my Cricut. And then I used this gold trim and this pink trim, and I don't have sentiments. So what I did was, using the printer, I cut out some sentiments with that, and it was black and white. I did a little light ink, and I made it into a banner, and now it looks like it wasn't just from my printer. So I thought that was really cool. I added these vellum little butterflies and bling, and that's how these all pretty much came out. Here's the last 2. I'll get closer where you can see the sentiments. Happy day. Beautiful. And then here we are in the last page. So I wanted to show you guys that I made these cute little tags. And these I had fun creating in Cricut Design Space by adding the bow and a little scallop at the bottom. So I thought I'd give her some tags. And then here we have just some Project Life cards. And this was a really cute doily that I cut out. And I thought I would gift that away. So we'll put that inside. And the back is just plain. And that is it. That is a simple little embellishment book where you got 15 embellishments in here, and I hope that she likes it. All right, guys, that is it for today. That was my quick little project share for my Facebook swap. Let me know what you think down below. As always, I hope you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.